Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies and grow a garden prismatic. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Head to your garden and collect a variety of fruits and vegetables. Next, find the smoothie machine, usually located in your kitchen area. It's a simple process, but knowing which ingredients to use can really enhance your gameplay. Let's dive into the details of creating these beneficial beverages. To begin, focus on your garden. Plant a wide array of seeds, ensuring you have a good mix of fruits and vegetables available. For a basic smoothie, you'll typically need at least 2 distinct items. Once your plants are fully grown and ripe, simply interact with them to harvest. Remember, the quality and type of produce you gather directly influence the smoothie's final properties, so choose wisely for desired effects. With your ingredients in hand, approach the smoothie machine. Open its interface and drag your selected fruits and vegetables into the designated slots. Once loaded, press the blend button to start the mixing cycle. After a short moment, your fresh smoothie will appear. Drink it immediately to receive its unique effects, which can range from increased energy to enhanced gardening skills, providing a significant advantage in your game. For advanced smoothie making, don't be afraid to experiment. Combining different ingredients can unlock hidden recipes with incredibly powerful effects. Keep an eye out for rare fruits or vegetables in your garden or through special events, as these often yield the most potent and beneficial smoothies. Mastering these combinations can give you a significant edge. And hey, if you're looking for ways to grow your real-world wealth, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.